Welcome to another episode of Making It Keto, and today, guys, we're going to be making some chicken buffalo sliders. This is going to be great. Y'all stick around. All right, guys, so you can see we have some of our ingredients here. So what we have here, we got our butter. We have some of this Frank's hot wing sauce we're going to be using. We got some ranch. This ranch right here, this is Greek, made from a Greek dressing. We're going to use some of that. This is the king of the show right here, y'all. We got those extraordinary bites, 2 net carb Hawaiian bread. Guys, this is a game changer right here. But this is the star of the show right here. We got some mozzarella. And y'all know we got the block mozzarella, right? We're gonna do it because you know how we do it. We cut it up. We ain't doing that pre-shredded stuff. We're gonna shred our own mozzarella. We also have here it's pretty much a coleslaw blend. And we're gonna be using this in the recipe today too, guys. And also, just salt and pepper. You got that. And the second co-star of the show today, guys, we're gonna be using this chicken right here. So this chicken right here, I sous vide this. But you guys, if you want to go ahead out and get you a rotisserie chicken or something like that, you can go ahead and do that. But for this purpose here, I had some chicken tenderloins that I needed to use. So I just went ahead and sous vide them, and that's what we're gonna use inside the recipe today, guys. All right, so we're gonna start by grating down this cheese. So let's go ahead and get that out of the way, guys. So guys, this is about 2 pounds, but we're really probably only gonna use about 2 cups of it. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and shred the whole thing down, really because I'm already shredding it down, so. All right, so guys, my grater has a couple sides on it. I'm gonna just use the bigger side of the grating to shred it down. So let's go ahead and get this shred down, and I'll show you what we're gonna do after we got this done. It's a lot of cheese, guys. I know it looks like a lot, but you don't have to use all of it right now. I'm gonna shred it all down because I know I'm gonna have other things that I'm gonna cook throughout the week to where I can use this. So I'm gonna go ahead and shred it all down now. No need to shred half of it and then come back and shred the other half, and you know you're gonna use it anyway. So let's go ahead and do that. And like I said, guys, I shred my cheese really because, man, that pre-shredded stuff, man, it has that wax on it, man. The cheese just don't melt well. Plus, that wax stuff has carbs in it. I mean, it's not a lot, but it does have carbs in it. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and shred this chicken down, and I'll be using the method that I saw on the line. They use the mixer to do it, so I'm gonna put this paddle on, and we're gonna try to shred this chicken up the easy way. If it don't work, then we're gonna go back to fork and spoon, baby. But guys, as you can see, look at that. This is why I sous vide. I sous vide for this reason. It is amazing, guys. This chicken is very soft. Let's go ahead and put it in there. Chicken in. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put our paddle on, Then we're going to try to shred this chicken using our KitchenAid mixer. See if it works, guys. Look at that, guys, it's working. I think we can use this to shred our chicken from now on. That's working perfect right there. Alrighty, so that looks about good to me. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that'll work, guys. Perfect. We got a couple big pieces in there, but I don't think it'll hurt anything. Probably let it go a few more seconds here, and then we'll go ahead and take it out of there. All right, so that looked good to me right there, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Look at this, perfectly shredded. That's exactly what I'm talking about right there, guys. Perfect. All right, guys, so now that we have the chicken all shredded down, as you can see we have here, we're going to make our buffalo sauce now. So what I have here is the ½ cup of hot sauce that we're going to pour in. Go ahead and do that. And then we're going to go ahead and add in the ranch. All right, so we're going to be using a ½ cup of each. Good right there. That looked good, about good to me. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in there. All right, guys, and now we just mix it. Go ahead and mix it together. Let's see. And that's what we want right there. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and add and mix everything together. Just like that. All right. Let's get everything nice and well incorporated. So this is roughly about 3 cups of that chicken that I had. You're not gonna use the whole thing. Like I said, I got other recipes that I can use that chicken for throughout the week, and I will be. And this is what we should be left with, guys, once we're done. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and cut our bread open. So what we have here is the Extraordinary Bites 2 net carb Hawaiian sweet rolls. This is what we're gonna use to make our sliders with, guys. This is a perfect addition to the Extraordinary Bites bread brand. I'll be doing a review on this bread too, so keep a lookout for that. All right, so let's go ahead and get it open up. Now, guys, they come already separated. I wish they weren't separated already, because normally I would cut them all together, but being that they're already separated, we're gonna have to work with that. So what we're going to do here, show you guys, we're gonna keep the 2 that's together. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just go ahead and cut. Make sure you got yourself a bread knife too, something with a serrated edge. And we're just gonna cut straight through. Be careful, guys, watch your finger. All right. And just like that, guys, simple. All right, guys, so now that we got that, we're going to lay these, the bottom half, guys, just the bottom half, we're gonna lay them flat down inside. You should have 4 of the bottoms and 4 of the tops. We're gonna lay them down just like that, guys. All right, guys, so now that we have it all set down in there, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with our fresh mozzarella. We're just gonna go ahead and lay that down. And guys, you only need to use about 2 cups of it. I'm gonna use maybe 1.5 cups on the bottom. And then On the second layer, we'll probably do another 1.5 cups, but 2 cups is what we're aiming for. All right, they look good. So we got that. Now, we add on our chicken. And it goes just like that, guys. And then this is optional. We're gonna go ahead and add in our cabbage mix, guys, just like so. And now we're going to go with another layer of the cheese. And guys, don't worry about the stuff that falls out on the side. Don't worry about that. We're not gonna worry about that. We just need to make sure we get the cheese on the top. All right, and once we do that, guys, we're gonna top them all. Going to take some of this butter, the garlic butter that I told you guys about. This is pretty much what I'm using here, this garlic butter right here. And we're gonna brush the tops, just like so. We're gonna place this in the 350 degrees oven for approximately 15 minutes. But guys, we're not gonna leave it open like this. We're gonna wrap a piece of aluminum foil on it, because remember, this bread is already baked. So putting it back in the oven is going to make it harder if we don't have a way to cover it. We just need to melt the cheese pretty much. All right, so after the 15 minutes in the oven, guys, this is what we got. Check it out. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and cut one out, see if we can get it out of here. Let's see what we can do. Oh. Oh. Wow. Guys. Hold on, I gotta go on one more time. Oh. All right, guys, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, guys, thank you for watching. This is a great recipe. I challenge you guys to try it out. This is something new on the keto diet that we can do now. So y'all already know what we're doing here. We're making keto easy by making everything keto. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.